Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best bamboo blinds is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing window treatments available, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and practical functionality that can elevate any room's decor. These blinds are crafted from sustainable bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource, making them an eco-friendly choice for the conscious consumer. Their natural texture and warm tones add a touch of organic elegance, effortlessly complementing a wide range of interior design styles, from minimalist and modern to rustic and bohemian. Beyond their visual appeal, bamboo blinds provide excellent light control, allowing you to filter sunlight and maintain privacy without sacrificing natural light, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere in your home. Number 5. Achim Home Decor Cordless Mini Blinds, Pearl White. Introducing our new cordless mini blinds. They are designed to filter light beautifully while offering a child and pet-safe operation. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, these blinds resist warping and fading. The cordless design eliminates tangles, ensuring safety for your loved ones. Finding the right size is simple. These blinds are designed to fit most windows, with a slight adjustment to ensure a seamless look. Get your new blinds up in no time. All necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions are included for inside, outside, or ceiling installation. Adjusting your blinds is a breeze. Simply lift or lower the bottom rail to change the height, and use the tilt wand for precise light control. Choose from a range of elegant colors and lengths to perfectly complement your home decor. Find the ideal match for any room. What we like? If you're looking for a safe and durable window covering, this is a great choice. Its cordless design makes it child and pet safe, and the vinyl construction resists warping and fading. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use blind for everyday light control, consider this option. What people say. The blinds are easy to install and operate smoothly. The bamboo material gives a natural and warm look to the room. They effectively block out light and provide privacy. Number 4. CHICOLOGY 2 Cordless Faux Wood Blinds. Introducing our 2-inch cordless faux wood blinds. Enjoy smooth operation for easy light adjustment and complete privacy in any room. These blinds offer a clean, modern look with their smooth PVC finish. They are designed to complement any home decor. The cordless lift system provides a safer environment for homes with children and pets. No dangling cords to worry about. Easily install them inside or outside your window frame. They are designed for a perfect fit and simple setup. Crafted to withstand moisture, these blinds are ideal for any room, including kitchens and bathrooms. They are built to last. Achieve the perfect ambience with their room darkening capabilities. Block out unwanted light for a more comfortable space. What we like? For a blend of style and practicality, this faux wood blind is ideal. It offers excellent light control and privacy, and its moisture-resistant nature makes it suitable for various rooms. If you desire the look of real wood without the maintenance, especially in humid areas, this is the blind for you. What people say. The blinds are easy to install and operate smoothly. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The bamboo material is attractive and seems durable. Number 3. CHICOLOGY Cordless Roman Shade, Textured Belgian Flax. Experience beautiful, diffused daylight with our light-filtering shades. They offer a warm glow while ensuring your privacy with a clean, uniform look from the street. Enjoy peace of mind with a design focused on privacy. While they filter light beautifully, please note that interior lights at night may create a subtle glow. Get a true-to-size fit with no deductions, meaning the width you order is the width you receive. This ensures a great fit, especially with outside mounts. Installation is a breeze, ready for inside, outside, or ceiling mounts. All necessary hardware is included for a simple, flexible setup. You can typically install this yourself in under 30 minutes. For any shipping creases, simply steam them out, and spot clean for easy care. What we like? If you appreciate a softer, more natural aesthetic for your windows, this Roman shade is a fantastic pick. The textured Belgian flax fabric adds a touch of elegance while still allowing diffused light. If you want a shade that fits precisely and enhances your room's ambience with gentle light, this is a perfect match. What people say. The blinds are easy to install and operate smoothly. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The bamboo material is attractive and durable. Number 2. Yoolax Custom XL Smart Sliding Door Blinds. Introducing our smart sliding door blinds, designed for modern living. Effortlessly control light and privacy with just your voice or a tap on your phone. Crafted from durable, high-quality fabric, these blinds offer excellent blackout capabilities. They protect your interiors from UV rays and create a private sanctuary in any room. Our motorized blinds connect directly to Alexa and Google Home, no extra hub required. Enjoy the convenience of a truly smart home experience. Customize the size, panel count, and opening direction to perfectly match your space. Achieve the ideal look and functionality for your doors and windows. Manage your blinds with the included remote control, grouping up to 9 channels for individual or simultaneous operation. It's smart control made simple. We stand by our product with long-term technical assistance and a commitment to your satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with our support and replacement policy. What we like. For the ultimate convenience and modern living, this smart sliding door blind is the way to go. Integrate it with Alexa or Google Home for voice control, or use the app for effortless operation. If you're building a smart home or want to automate your large glass doors, this motorized option offers unparalleled ease and functionality. What people say. The blinds are easy to install and operate. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The bamboo material is durable and looks great. Number 1. LazBlinds Cordless Bamboo Roman Shades. Introducing our beautiful bamboo Roman shades, crafted from 100% natural materials. They offer a unique, soft glow by gently filtering light. Enjoy a clean, tangle-free look with our cordless design. It also provides a safer environment for children and pets. Easily raise or lower them to control sunlight. Installation is also a breeze. For inside mounts, choose a size close to your window width. For outside mounts, add 4 inches to your window width for full coverage. These breathable shades are perfect for indoor use, helping to keep your indoor air fresh and the ambience warm and beautiful. We offer customized sizes and are here to help. Contact us with any questions during purchase, installation, or use. What we like. If you love the warmth and natural beauty of organic materials, these bamboo Roman shades are an excellent choice. They provide a soft, filtered light that creates a cozy atmosphere. If you're seeking an eco-friendly and stylish window treatment that's also safe for your family, these shades will bring a touch of nature indoors. What people say. The blinds are made of natural bamboo, which gives them a unique and attractive look. They are easy to install and come with all the necessary hardware. The light filtering feature is excellent, providing privacy without blocking out all natural light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.